Just in, Trump's Secretary of State just fired every Hillary and Obama person at the State Department. It's about time. Secretary of State Rex Tillerson is already cleaning house at the State Department, according to a report. Next up is going to be the CIA, FBI, and NSA, according to USA Politics Today. Great job, Rex. That's what we were expecting for so long. Now Trump should clean more than the White House, so there is not going to be more leaking. We look as complete amateurs and losers to the world when presidents' talks with world leaders are leaking out like candies. We are talking about our commander-in-chief. He should be protected under many layers of secrecy and professionalism. We have to stop the leaking. Trump team have to unite all federal government behind Trump so that he could focus on his campaign promises. Now he is being stabbed every day in the back. He is bleeding all day. This looks very bad now. Trump needs help. He needs supporters in the government and his enemies out of the government. President Trump will have this nation running like his organization. Is it accurate to say that you are prepared for an administration that really thinks about you? Absolutely, it's high time he take him out. Absolutely. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.